What's going on, guys? Today I have a huge mail day, so I have two more packages open here. One of these might be a trade. I already opened 4 different trades and I'm involved in like 10 trades. So a lot going on right now, but this one says open on camera and this one says YABO. Could make a good video, so all right, we'll see. But yeah, so I'm gonna open these right now for you guys. Today's EDC, let me get out of my pocket here, is the Bastanelli folder, or a Bastanelli folder, which I got in a trade, which I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, but I'm really enjoying. So let's do one at a time here. Make sure you come in on this side. These small priority, like the flat rate priority boxes, you just cut this little tab on one side and make sure there's no tape on the edges here. Then it opens up. Instead of having to try to do the entire top, just easier to do it from the side. So, this I believe is another trade. So, let's make sure that I can, well, you put open on camera, right? So I guess it's okay to read this. If it's not, I'll just edit it, right? The power of film. Dear Jeff, I'm a huge fan of your videos and felt like sending a care package. The small red knife is because you like old knife mechanisms, or odd knife mechanisms. Ooh, that's exciting. The rest are all antiques I think you'd want to enjoy, or would enjoy. I also added a wallet strap made by me. Hope you can read this okay. Yes, I can. Your handwriting is actually fine. It's just, I have a hard time reading through the camera here. Keep up the good work. I also added some extras from Colby. P.S. I didn't put any polishing compound on the strap in case you had a preferred brand. P.P.S. I also made the fixed blade from a Mora knife blade. All right, that's really interesting. All right, so this is not a trade. This is just a nice gift package from Colby. All right, so first off, I love the pouch. I used to have multiple like EDC style pouches for, you know, like pocket on your cargos and stuff. I have no idea where they are. I used to have Maritech ones. I forget what they were called, but I might actually start using this for EDC stuff because I like to free up my pocket space, you know, like my regular pocket space, and I don't mind having a little extra weight down in the leg portion. But anyway, let's see, we got a bunch of stuff right off the bat. I love these. I got one of these when I was probably in 4th or 5th grade. On a field trip, like little, I use them as pill boxes, but I love these things, so that is awesome. I will definitely use this. I use little tubes, like you know, little like keychain vaults for, you know, some Motrin and some pain relievers and stuff for the car. But I think I'm gonna switch to this because I love this kind of stuff. So right off the bat, huge thumbs up for that. That is awesome. So this, I think, is what he's talking about. Oh wow, that's really cool. So repurposing, first of all, super smooth, super comfortable, but I guess he repurposed a Mora blade and made his own knife out of it. That is really, really nice. I like that a lot, man. Thank you so much. That will get used. And cool little sheath too. Love it. Ooh, we got some coins here. You see JFK there. It says the Kennedys. On the back, Kennedy family tree. Pretty cool. It's different. I definitely don't have anything like that. Awesome. Look at that. 1873, 78, maybe 78. Going once, going twice. Darn you, glare. 78. Very, very cool. Awesome, awesome piece. Love it. I only have a couple of those. I'm trying to actually build that collection. We got a little O-lights, little pocket light. Might need a battery. Yep, I'm assuming. But that's cool. I will find a battery for that. Wow, there's a bunch of stuff in here. All right, let's take everything out. Ooh, a flip knife. I actually have one of these, but I love these things. So thank you very much for sending another one. The one I have is kind of broken, the plastic's cracked on the side. But yeah, I've had these, God, ever since I was like 14 or 15 years old. I've had them, I've lost them, given them away. you know, but basically you put your little fingernail in there, bring this up, the blade goes out, and then down. So yeah, I mean, if you're interested in this type design, they're called flip knives, or flip-its, or something along those lines. But really, really cool. And then it locks back into the handle there. But that is awesome. Thank you so much for that. Put that off to the side here. Oh, that must be the little pocket strap. I like the sticker. I hate to have to destroy it, but very cool. Nice supple piece of leather, like credit card sized. I actually really like the idea. I mean, for straight leather. In fact, I'm probably not going to put any compound on this at all because I will actually put this in my wallet. I would love to have a strap on the go. I love the idea. And obviously, if you put strap or any kind of like compound paste or anything like that on there, it'll get inside your wallet. But after you strap with compounds, I have just bare straps. It's just the leather. I'll go back and I'll, you know, do a couple passes on that. So wow, that is awesome. This is going right in my wallet, and I'll probably mention that next time I do an EDC update. That's an awesome idea. I love it. Looks like maybe a Zippo Slim. I actually just traded with someone else, and I got 2 different Zippo Slims. Very cool. We got the script logo on there. You guys saw my how to date a Zippo. You guys tell me down in the comments what year is this Zippo from. There's 4 right slashes on the left. And I'm going to say, I'm going to zoom in because it's hard to see through, again, through the lens here, but there are 3 on the right. See, what I was looking at before, I didn't see any, but I'm going to have to say there's 4 on the left, 3 on the right. So you guys tell me. I happen to know, but I know a lot of people were excited to learn how to date a Zippo when I made that video. So very, very cool. I'll probably see some pocket use as well. And oh, cool, Hobo knife. Oh, I don't have one like this. This is awesome. All right, so first off, let's look at the Tang stamp. Imperial. Looks like Ireland. No? Let's try that zoom again. Imperial England, maybe. Tap under the bolster there. No, I'm going to go back with Ireland. I-R-E-L-A-N-D. You guys tell me what you think. I'm going with Ireland. But yeah, this is a Hobo knife since it has the fork and the spoon in here. This is actually really cool. And believe it or not, even though this is an odd mechanism, this is also an odd mechanism to me. I would put that in the category as an odd knife. So this is going to go into the odd knife collection. So we have the can opener here. As you can see, let me close that blade first. Whoops, we have a bail. The fork retracts. Actually, really sturdy fork. Very cool. And the spoon. And I like how these have the cutouts. Oh, it says right inside camper. Camp knife. But I love the cutouts here, so it's actually flush with the handles. That is super, super cool. Absolutely love that. And looks like maybe the last thing in here. Cool little lockback. This one. Zooming in again. This one can't oh, buck. A buck 521. Very cool. So I will clean this up, and this will also get some pocket time at some point as well. You guys, I mean, people ask me all the time too, like, oh, what are you testing today? What are you going to review tomorrow? I get that quite often, like on Instagram and messages, and oftentimes I'll carry knives like this, and you guys might never see a review. Might carry it once or twice, might carry it, you know, sporadically, but I'm not really paying attention to how it's performing. I don't review every single thing I carry. I carry and use a lot more than what you guys actually see reviews on. I can't put a percentage on it, but there's a ton of stuff that, like I said, I'll use for a while, then it'll go back in a trade, or it'll go in a drawer and I just don't use it that much. So, you know, just because I have it Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be reviewed, but most stuff does actually get used. So this was awesome. So thank you, Colby, so much. Hopefully I'm not missing anything from the bag here. But this is really, really generous. Very nice of you. I mean, just, again, huge double thumbs up. We have a YABO. Let's see if this makes a good video. Basinelli knife, yet again. And like I said before, just going to cut that little tab. Be very careful not to go all the way through. And on the sides, because I see that's taped. All right, close this. Awesome. We'll talk more about that in the future. Do want to get some more use on it before I do a review, but I will definitely do a review on it. All right, see, tins of tobacco. Orlick, dark, strong Kentucky. Good stuff. I've had this. I have not had the tin. I don't think it makes a difference. I've had the pouch Magnum knife from Boker, which seems super heavy. Not necessarily a bad thing. Ooh, interesting. Oh, all right, cool. Multi-tool. I feel a note. That says note. And that's it. Okay. So box off to the side. Let's read the note first before I start digging in to the goodies. This is also a nice present package. I don't believe this is one of the trades I'm doing. Although sometimes I am doing, when I do trades, people are throwing something extra, as do I occasionally. Woohoo, Yabo time again. Hey Jeff, Landon again. You may, well, it says make, but I think you meant to say you may recall the package I sent you previously with the 7LE pipe and goodies. Yes, I hope you're enjoying it. I am very much, as I enjoyed watching you open it. Round 2. You may also recall that I specified in that letter that I couldn't decide what knife to give to you as a thank you for all that you do. Well, you guessed it. I figured it out. Here's a riddle before you dive in. One you'll want, one you'll hate. One you'll smoke, one you'll punch, and one you'll eat. Can you tell I suck at riddles? Well, enjoy, Jeff, and thanks again for all you do. Also, unlike last time, if you wouldn't mind shouting out my new YouTube channel, that would be awesome. It's literally just Landon Lame. I know, Google won't let me change it. You don't have to shout me out, nor do you even need to film this. All gifts as previously mentioned, but there are some gems in this box I think you'll get a kick out of. Hint. A kick. All right, well, we'll have to find out what that is in a moment. So cheers from Landon. Search Gerber flat iron review. Mine's the first one to come up. Laugh out loud. Thank you so much for that. You guys know I do love filming. You know, when people send me stuff, I film every single thing that people send. There's been a handful of times over the years where I filmed something and something happened to the file. You know, if you've ever sent me something and you're like, oh, I never saw a video on it, that kind of stinks. I filmed it, it's just something happened where I couldn't show the video. Sometimes my editing software screws things up, sometimes my camera, I think I'm recording, but I'm not, you know, the usual filming problems. But yeah, that is awesome. So Kick is the clue. First, let's take a look at this before I open the bubble wrap items. That is not wrapped, it's just bubble wrap. So yeah, this looks like a multi-tool. I've never seen this before. Some of you guys might have one of these. Koch 2.1 solo bronze tie. This thing looks pretty wicked. It says thank you from Koch. Koch Tools. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Knives and pocket tools. This, I recognize this. I just haven't seen it before. That's right off the bat. I kind of want to do that with it. I don't know if that's part of its function, but that certainly does work. Pretty neat though. Here's the, looks like a lanyard hole. I'll have to look it up. I don't know, maybe that's the lanyard hole. I will look this up. I see some hex drivers, which most multi-tools have. It feels solid. It's built well. Very cool. I like that. I will research that a little bit more to see all the functions, but I'm thinking they're like pocket knucks. Maybe like the, oh yeah, oh, never mind. That's how it goes, and that feels really good, and that wouldn't. It's pretty gnarly there. I guess you can put your keys on either side. Pretty neat. Just wondering if these would work as anything else besides the drivers. But awesome. I really do like those a lot. All right, you guys saw this. Let's check out the knife first. I think the kick was the clue. What in God's name? All right, this is gonna be one of those times where I teased you guys, and I apologize for it, but what was in this box, which is now not in the box, deserves its own video. So I will show this on a separate video, probably before I even show this unboxing. So if you're watching this, you'll probably already seen the other knife, but that thing is hilarious, and I will definitely, well, you'll see in another video. So on to, onto something else here. Let's see. Oh, awesome. We have an Azula, looks like. The SE Azula. Awesome, classic knife. Absolutely love it, the black. Simple, but effective. And actually, I don't believe I currently have one. So this is going to be permanently in my neck knife collection, because I've had multiple of these, but I've traded them and sold them before and then missed them. I regret it. But I do have a growing neck knife collection, which you guys will see probably over the winter time. That's why I'll do a lot of those collection videos. But this is gonna go in there because I definitely wanna have one of these as an option. Awesome neck knife option. Lightweight overall, very effective. A lot of fans, a lot of people know about this one. So that is really cool. So, last thing, looks like, ooh, looks like some hot sauce. How about that? It just says, oh, Blade HQ hot sauce. Oh man, you know what? Knife Life Cajun hot sauce. Man. Well, first of all, aged peppers and vinegar. This is going to be like Louisiana style hot sauce, so it's probably not going to be delicious, which is okay because I'm not actually going to try this. This is going to be a little keepsake. Maybe one day I'll open it. Not intended for knife lube, I think. Let's see. Not intended for knife lube or any lube. That's pretty funny. I like that. Yeah, so now we can see this a little better with the zoom. Aged pepper, mash, vinegar, salt, and xanthan gum. Hot sauce Harry's is where it's coming from. That is super cool. I love it. I don't know, maybe this was a promotional thing that I missed. Maybe when you order a certain amount, you got some hot sauce, but this is a keepsake. This is going on the shelf. The, you know, unnecessary goodies that, you know, everyone has stuff in their house that you don't really need. And no one really, you're not showing off to anyone. I'm showing this off to you guys. Anyone that comes to my house probably won't care that I have this, but I like it. So yeah, that's a cool little ending. Some Blade HQ hot sauce. I must have missed the boat on that. Let me know when they had this, if they currently still sell it. Let me know down in the comments. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Awesome mail day, lots of trades, 2 very nice, generous packages, a lot of cool things. You guys spoil me. I mean, you really do. I appreciate you guys so much, and people send things in show of appreciation for the videos. It's so unnecessary. It's very much appreciated. I love all this stuff. Who wouldn't love getting gifts? You know what I mean? And I use like literally 95% of the stuff people send me, I use all the time and really enjoy. It's so unnecessary, but it is appreciated. So thank you for all the people who have done that in the past, anyone who's gonna do it in the future. It's really, really sweet. It's really nice. I'm glad you guys like the videos, but all I really ask is that you keep watching them. That's pretty much it. It's why I'm here. It's why I make videos, so people can watch them and enjoy them. Skip the ones that you don't want to watch. You know, you don't have to suffer through them at all, you know. But yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for the support. And in this particular video, thank you for the gifts. It was very, very nice of you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for the other video. Again, don't know the order I'm posting, but the Boker knife is hilarious and awesome and dumb and crazy and cheap and cool, all wrapped in one, which seems kind of odd, right? So you'll see that video either before or after. We'll see. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.